Jinemi mochail min jach a ro mochrach. Jinemi mochail min jach of me a valai. Jinemi mochail min jach a hunken ro a yorsema. Jinemi mochail min jach sa chami ferna hatje. Uk me garsta van a uk a beer a shot a half foot. Ten hoshi kuri kan a shram a bill of an hand. Uk me donna pela us a point a duni ish a tosh an hoshi kirti grava rost a diggin hain a gan.
If you've been practicing your Gaelic with a Gaelic speaker, you've probably discovered that you cannot always use ha in the same way as the verb is used in English. Ha shim fuer is all right, Simon is cold, but if I want to say Simon is a teacher, I cannot say ha shim teacher. In other words, ha can't be used on its own to connect the two nouns. The two nouns we join here are sheem and teacher. Let's see how it's done in Gaelic. The English order of the words would be sheem, then teacher. Simon is a teacher. We're telling you something about Simon. He's a teacher. And in Gaelic that would come first, so the order becomes teacher, then sheem. Remember, I said you can't use ha on its own here. You start with another verb, she. She, teacher, first, and in between you put a ha. She, teacher, a ha. It's a teacher, that is. And finally you put aun an. She, teacher, a ha, aun an sheem. Aun an means in. Aun an sheem in Simon. It's the form of the preposition you use when there's no definite article, when the word for the is not used. Aun an sheem in Simon. She teacher a ha, aun an sheem. A word-for-word translation would be it's a teacher that is in Simon. In other words, Simon is a teacher. Can't show? She teacher a ha, aun an sheem. The same construction is used when you're talking about the place or country you belong to. Alba Nuadh, a Scotsman. Alba Nuadh, a Scotsman. She Alba Nuadh, a ha aun an calon. Can show. She Alba Nuadh, a ha aun an calon. Then there's Sassenach, an Englishman. Can show. She Sassenach, a ha aun an Roger. Then there's Katrina. She's from Skye. A Skianach, a Skye man or a Skye woman. So, she Skianach, a ha aun an Katrina.
Shug, she skiahanach a ha anam. I'm a Skye person, as is Mairat. She skianach a ha an a Mairat.
Shug, she skianach a ha anam. And Simon, he's from Harris. He's a Harrisman, a herach. She herach a ha aun an sheem.
Shug, she herach a ha anam.
She herach a ha anam. Anam in me. Can show. She herach a ha anam. Anam is a combination of aun and me. She dochter a ha anam, I am a doctor. She skiahanach a ha anam, I am a Skye person. In him is aun. She minister a ha aun, he is a minister. In her is eentje. She nurse aha inja. She nurse aha inja.
She nurse aha inja. Hai sacum.
She nurse aha inja. She's a nurse. Can show. She nurse aha inja. She minister aha aun.
Hai sacam, she minister aha aun.
She minister aha aun. He's a minister. Can show. She minister aha aun. She minister aha aun and sheem. She minister aha aun. He's a minister. She nurse aha aun and Katrina. She nurse aha inja. She's a nurse. She dochter aha anam. I'm a doctor. Anam in me. Aun in him. Inja in her. In you is anat. Ane dochter aha anat. Are you a doctor? Ane is the question form of she. Ane dochter aha anat. Chanye is the negative or no form. Chanye nurse aha anam. I'm not a nurse. Agus chanye minister aha anam. I'm not a minister.
Ane dochter aha amat.
Chanye. She minister the ha anam.
Ane dochter aha amat.
Dochter?
Shag ane dochter aha amat.
Can show. Anye dochter aha anat.
Ane dochter aha amat.
She dochter aha anam. Je ha kjör.
Show.
Anye dochter aha anat. Are you a doctor? In reply, you just say she, yes, I am, or chanye, no, I'm not. You don't need to say the whole sentence in reply.
Oh, who are you? The first of a new panel game for followers of Ken Shaw. Contestants will mime a job or occupation, and the panel will have 5 questions to get the answer. And you, she Myra. Agus Katriana a hara ho u. Agus Calderin and you ha she.
Anye dochter aha anat.
Chanye dochter aha anam. Ha u kjar.
Ane driver aha amat.
Chanye driver aha anam. Shin aga. Ha u kjar.
She nurse aha aun ha mi smoonjachug.
Chanye, wij kunnen maar shoot. She teacher aha aan, ha mi smoonjachug. En ne teacher aha anat.
Chanye teacher aha anam. Ha u kjar. Shin 3.
Ha Isaacum. She minister aha anat.
Au kerst, she minister ha anam. Va myra kerstammen keer. En isha, be myra tot jene gopper, au is beshim, agus Katriana a ra, Oh.
Siúad a chatríana.
Fuaich mi net. Féime mis múneach. Ha isacam. A net teacher a ha anat.
Chane teacher a ha anamítir ha e govaram. Sin ún. Anisha a hím.
Ha isacam. Vau ysgrifw lichtyr nio y leog leor, e fel mi cast. Ynne minister ha anot.
Minister? O, she amadan a ha anat a hím. She good jaraf she amadan a ha anat. She amadan a ha anat. You're a fool. It's the same pattern as for occupations. Can show. She amadan a ha anat.
She amatan a ha amatahim.
Chane amatan ha amam, ach, she amatan ha anotsa.
Anatsa. The sa emphasizes you. She amatan a ha anatsa. You are a fool. Úsanis a chatríana.
Chudú rútar a bhord. Vau gianaf. Mar siút an uairsin.
An nuairsin then.
An uairsin gaú rút a bhord. She dochter a ha intje.
She dochter a ha anam. Ha sin ceart a chatríana. She dochter a ha anam. I'm a doctor. There's also another use of she. It's used for emphasis and works like this.
Oh, ha mi dúlich an cúchba acam.
Cóchur an cúchba a bhord.
She sheem a chud an cúchba an sin. She sheem a chud an cúchba an sin. Simon was the one who put the cup there. She here is used to identify sheem, to emphasize that it was Simon who put the cup down. When you use she in this way, the word you're emphasizing is brought forward. Simon put the cup there. A simple statement, but to emphasize it was Simon, you begin with she, and sheem is brought forward in the sentence. She sheem a chud an cúchba an sin. Can show. She sheem a chud an cúchba an sin. This use of she works with all tenses of the verb. In the future, you use the form ending in as. If I'm offering you a cup of tea, for example, I would say, will you take tea? Anye tea agas tu? Anye tea agas tu? Is it tea that you will take? Will you take tea? Can show. Anye tea agas tu? And of course, your answer will be she or chane. Finally, there's one or two colloquial expressions connected with she and chane. Nach isn't it? Nach ha fuhr, isn't it cold? Nach ha fluch. Nach ha fluch, isn't it wet? A new word there, fluch, wet. Then there's anye sho an bus go Portree. Is this the bus to Portree? Anye seo an bus go Portree. And a very useful phrase when you're travelling. J an tenem aha What's the name for? J an tenem aha Let's see how these work.
Cemar a hawsif.
Ha go mat tapala. Ní seo an bus go Portree.
She?
Na chai ha fluch wan jo.
She go Gerard. Hai wabasach fluch.
Jane Thanam aha a valla.
An balla show.
Shug, Jane Thanam aha a valla show.
J and Tenem aha a show. What's the name of this town or village? Canshaw. J and Tenem aha a show.
Shug, Jane Thanam aha a valla show.
Dun viken.
Jane Thanam aha orst.
J and Tenem aha orst. What's your name? Canshaw. J and Tenem aha orst.
Jane Thanam aha orst.
Katriana. Jane dere ma haorsa.
Misha, Sheem.
Jane nuwer a hai.
Hai Castel go 3.
Galavan bus.
Galavan bus. Fe mishin Cosioch go Portree. Troita Katriana.
Fudig mi net. Shin an bus and shoot.
Oh, smashing.
Shin. Not smashing. Shin. That's good. Shin. Today, our language sequences come from Skye.
Hello?
Anya Allen a hain shoot.
Chynne a chi ain?
She Isabel a hain show. Je ha atol.
Chynne moran. Ni Ellen a hau Geri.
She a vela en shin.
Fyrish minute ma ha. Ellen?
Sure.
Phone.
An Isabel hwn.
She.
Chynne mi stay.
Ha mi dulish. Chynne la stay.
Anisha na bonachin. Parsht shia jiuk. New words. Ra'at, a road. Rahat. Huirch, the past tense of to say. Huirch, said. And you'll hear Alistair sing. Moneen down voyach, my nut brown maiden. Na bonachin.
Hello, craft centre. Jay? Ha Gaelic acum, ha. Shug. Agus Jane Daniel Horst. Jay? Stallet and claw. How a geary, lichit, bonage claw. Agus backichin claw. Well, hamid dulich. Glegulich. She bonage and tarsht and a hacking and shot in the she. Okay. Kerst giljar. Kerst. Cheerio. Claw.
Sinna gata gwynyn jwy geri clo.
Aga.
Sew, geri bonnet yn clo.
Co.
Fa dwn i'r ffôn, nyr y faws mwy, fa Catriana bryn rys. A Catriana, co fan siwt yr y ffôn, y bryn rwchtsa.
Fa sas ynoch, fa rag o'r bw fôr ega.
Sfa geri bonnet yn clo na chro.
Fa?
G yn tenio me byd.
Changil isagam.
Chanel isagad.
Fa bryn rolwach, rom eisiau gahoig sy'n cert.
Ha sin ma. Ha sin uafesach ma. Hallo Anna. Troot is een cool ruimte. Man in dan
sé amadan húnad alster.
Agus sé níon bhdia a hanad, Anna.
Agus sé níon bhríá honna Sylvia. Alster.
Sí go dearad. Caite bhelí in isise.
An an bhning. Ach, stocha chun de géir asin seo.
Ó, a bhelí ará sin.
Ha? Vil du géir coffi, Alistair? Sille fel opur yn siogu.
Yn betalat sin.
Dynaf coffi agos biag agos brot. Dyn jai dyn yn ystau. Oi, hanni yn ŵr ac yn sio. Halo, Jane han am y horsa. Se dreifar hwnnw synach e.
sé dreifil a hanams. Fat yn lad yn rad agus fat na haiche. Am I ski. Han acras oram. Gyda's orst y felwg am y chlaidjin. Gyda's orst!
Sio gwyt o coffi.
Ha betalat op yn y sio itchid am.
Chapital.
Hetjus y eddash conlar I dôl.
Bla, bla, bla. Han tarst yn glefa a chyfel bonnet yn clo ac... Bonnet yn clo. Ham isio y falaf.
Oh, well, cheerio, New York.
Je.
Chanel cael.
Ach, a triana. Ha Isaac am je hwrstw.
Eili, che a cer.
Ha mi ski a triana. Fan je la gwbyr. Chan i'r wn fyned ac am ach o gwbyr ac ydy agos a gwbyr awn sa fw. Agos an da gwnia sin ian agos dol had coma.
O, dol. Chanel dol tolich che gyfel mi gwbydd yn sio. A Isaac am iddi syng.
Je? O, cha triana. Chan i'r sin cers ddeidir.
Hai, cert. Se dwnia ma ham. A chanel ac am iris yn sio itydd.
A sin wafasach.
Chanel e o afasoch. Chanel mi mad yn lwbydd sio. Gydera by mi tolich che falaf. Fe me mi falaf.
Je ni yw.
Wel, hyd mi ddasht o'n hotel stocha. Jo, hyd mi lunning. Jo, glasach o. Jo, New York stocha. Hyd mi go New York le bonetchen. Bonetchen bdia tart and baby den ort agos lechiad skieling.
An rhaid trang mynd yw.
Chit, trang gylior ach ham I sgie.
Ji ha cer.
Je ha car. Je ha carst. Fa da gynnu y ffôn y geri bonnet yn clo. Da lichtir a New York agos London y geri bonnet yn clo. Chan i'r calach clo. Siol dy bonnet clo. Agos Catriana.
Catriana?
Fa mi trotri Catriana diw. Cha fi gwbyr ac am tyliw. Alastydd, da fi'n agos ysgybeha.
Fim mi tolgach I gomwyl. Fim Alistair. Fim mi falaf. Fisk ymena dy gomwyl. Fisk ymals.
Esgyr maladi, ein?
Ie, car yn gomwyl.
Ha hwle car. Chan i'r bw genef ma idjyd. Styliwm sy'n tarstan a chan i'r dwniga ieri. Chan i'r ac am cyrson. Fa ma hi'n agos Catriana trod agos hai y falaf. Agos chan i'r eli taleitio.
Eisiau misigwyd, de ni yw.
Je,
I o'r edrych anna gyn y dash.
betaliwm sy'n sy'n I gianna fach hwle ŵr efo smysio bryn gdi anna.
Halo, Anna.
Hallo, goel. Katje wilt de van het tarstein?